Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. It's a little bit loud because I'm right next to the interstate here. You can see how close we are to the interstate when I tell people we are off I-65. Right here, I've got a nice truck. I've got an F350 extended cab chassis. This is a Lariat in white gold. Interesting thing about this one's got a Napa hide bed on it, but it's actually, well, they call this bed a PGNB, but this is the aluminum version. Advantages of the aluminum version are lighter weight and less susceptible to rust. This truck's ready to work. It's got a backup camera and everything right there. These are gooseneck bodies, so there's a gooseneck ball right down in here. You just lift that panel up, go to work. You got a headache rack up here. This is a nicer truck than most when it comes to these cab chassis. This is, like I said, a Lariat, so this one's going to have some nicer appointments on the inside. It's got leather, heated and cooled seats, the bigger touchscreen up front there. This truck is ready to go at stock number T95337. It is here and for sale. Most of these cab chassis we get are four-wheel drive, but when you call me, be sure to ask just to make sure. If we don't have exactly what you're looking for, we can always get exactly what you're looking for. These Napa hide beds are put on before they get to us. The actual Napa hide plant is right next to the Ford plant in Louisville, so they drop ship them to the Napa hide plant and they bring them to us ready to go. So I'll put my 1-800 number down here. If you guys have got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. This is Austin at Hunt Ford, and we appreciate your time. Thanks, and have a great day.